Hi friends, this is John with Hillis Brothers Painting, and today I'm going to talk about decks, and I'm going to talk about why we get so upset after we put so much time and money into these decks and they fail. Well, why do they fail? We live in Michigan. It snows, it rains, these decks get ice on them. There's the dog that walks across it with claws. There's the hot tub that's dripping chlorine. So there's a lot of issues with decks, but there's a couple things that we can do to make it so that the deck lasts longer. And one of those things is surface preparation. So when we come out to a deck, we take a look at it and we evaluate it. And is there mold? Is there black spots on it? All these things have to be removed before we put any finish on it. So what we do is we use exterior detergents and bleaches that won't harm your plants when we put them on. And then we go through and we power wash it. And we keep a safe distance from the wood so we're not going to ruin the wood. We don't want to get a pulp, like a cotton pulp on these decks. So you just rinse off the detergent, let the detergent do the work, and then we go through and then we take a look at the deck after we've taken off the green and the black spots. Once that's done, we take a look at it and we say, do we need to sand this deck? Maybe we need to sand it. Maybe the finish is still a little bit loose on there. If that's the case, we'll go through and sand it. Once we've done that, then we take a look at the boards and see, do the boards need to be replaced? Maybe there's some rotted boards, so we'll go through at that point and take care of the boards and then nail all the loose boards in. So after that, then we're ready to start talking about a finish. And then we talk to the customer about, do you want a semi-transparent? Do you want a semi-solid? Do you want a solid color on your deck? And each deck is different depending on how old it is. So once we've determined that, then we go through and we tape up the house and we make sure that when we put on this finish, nothing's going to get on your house. So all these different finishes, they have different looks to it, and we give you all kinds of charts to choose from, and we use a couple different products, and they're all the best products. So if you have a deck project this year and you want to get it done right, give Hillis Brothers a call because you're going to get what you paid for. Thanks.